Okay, so I had my kitchen recently remodeled, and then I got one of these style of sinks to go, I'm sorry, faucets to go with the sink to kind of match and be nice. Sorry for the dirty dishes. So I was experiencing some leakage coming out of this stem area here and this area here, and I couldn't quite figure it out. And I noticed that there was a little set screw on the back of this guy. So I took off the set screw, loosened it, and I pulled this up, and if I pull it, I didn't tighten it, so I kept it apart so I could document this a little bit for myself and for others that might be experiencing the same issue. And when you lift straight up, you see that there's a fitting here, and that's where the source of my leakage was. I tightened it, it was hand tight. I guess it loosens over time, you know, things twist and turn around here. So I went ahead and I tightened it back up, tested it to see if it was leaking anymore, and what you're seeing here is just some residual water from the previous leaking. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody with their repair. Just go ahead and tighten that little guy there. I got this at Home Depot along with my counters, and it looks really nice and all. But yeah, it was starting to leak. I also loosened it from here just to kind of see if there was anything else attached down here. But anyway, hope this helps you out. Go ahead and tighten this little guy in here, and you should be good to go.